Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad Konggal Sangma Bynta kasngi ke arpu pratrik Jylla acara arpu lai ulaya don Bynta ke mukongsan ha ke program penkup borom nyeki kena puli jong ke Don Bosco Technical School Shillong pada bakren ha ke kasngi ne kaliang Conrad ula ong baka jing yo i bat ke jing terang ban trei ye ke no ke kam ke long ke ai ke babhatam ne ke Bynta ke jing im jong ke kena Samla badula ong ru baki Samla kilong ka bor na kabenta ka Jylla bat ka rihi Baroh Kawei Henry don kampat ban thom ni ki jing e bat ki jing yele ha ka jing em ula ongru ban kalyang ka sorkar ha ki snem ki baladem kadang yele ban pre ki lat ki lenti ha ka bedai kumno ban penjanai ki sap ki phong jong ki khna ka bala ban kinteu pat ya ka yo ka kot jong ka Jylla hagani ka sngi ngal yang Conrad ula airu ka jingero ya ka slam ajing hikai jong ka Don Bosco Technical School da ka baong baki kena ki bala pendep je jing pule jong ki nagane ke jaka pule ki khambon ada yanu jor haba henkelum badru haba bisyar ki kam ki baki trei ula ongru baka thong jok sarkar ban shna ki lat yo kam yo jam ka bahadu sanlak teli haki Bynta ba pher kan ye trei lang ru bat ka Don Bosco Technical School hagarukom ka bahe khnang ban la ban pun urlong jagani ka thong hagajo ko por ula kenturu ye kaslam ajing hikai jong ko Don Bosco bakan penthmai shisho ye ki subject ni ki kot pule khnang ban la ban penya dei bat kani ka juk ka Bynta hadin jong ka jingelang hagani ka sngi ne kalyong Conrad Sangma ula ya krenru bat ki khna pule jong ko Don Bosco ki bala bu jingkli u halor ki babon ki mat khamtam ha ka bai dei bat ka yo kam yo jam ki khna Samla ka Jylla.
We'll start off with this at least having about a fleet of about 80 to 100 such vehicles. So this will be like promoted by us. So the friction or the energy, the reverse energy, the battery charges back. So actually while coming back from Chirapati to here, I Google again. Most of it is also yeah, but because skills change, requirements change as we go.
There is a sense of this passion that I saw in all of you. This spark that's there in all of you. This desire to really do something. And that's really, I'll tell you, the most important aspect in life when you do something. You need to ensure that whatever you are doing or thinking or believing, the two people who came here and spoke, you could see that sense of passion in their voice and in their eyes and what they wanted to do or what they're doing. Today, Meghalaya and the entire country faces a very, very tough situation. We have, as we speak, and I would put 18 years as the age which we would say as an adult and a person who is joining the workforce. So based on the 2004 data or 2005 data, the children or the youth that are today turning 18, we have approximately 60,000 of them in Meghalaya every year. And as of today, there are 80,000 children that are born every year in Meghalaya. Which means in 2041, we will be having approximately 80,000 youths that will join the workforce every year. So you are seeing this trend of number of youths that are coming into the workforce, which is a great strength for our state and our country. But at the same time, a very big challenge for us. That how do we ensure that this workforce is used in a productive manner? We have all heard about government jobs, reservation, roster, all these past 6 months. Let me tell you, out of the 60,000 youths who are joining the workforce every year, there is only 1,000 government jobs available for the 60 out of the 60,000. Just 1,000. MPSC, approximately 300 to 400 to 500 advertisements come out every year. 400 to 500. and others maybe another 200-300, plus minus you can say about 1,000 on an average every year government jobs will come out.
So what we need is, as I said, like in for example, my wife started a small program. So when it's training like this, she got about 20 solar program, solar photovoltaic cell and installations.